Monkey has big brain, very big brain. Brain so big, monkey need neck exercises. But there is one problem. Monkey's starving. Meanwhile, other monkeys, with brains the size of a peanut, are eating bananas. Many bananas. Suspicious amount of bananas. Why? Chapter 1. The Overthinking Trap. Other monkey see banana. Other monkey climb tree. Other monkey eat. Monkey also see banana. But monkey open 47 mental tabs. Is this best tree? What if there a better banana system? Should me research optimal climbing techniques? Maybe me need a banana strategy first. 3 hours later, other monkey is on third banana. Monkey is reading. Optimal grip for faster climbing. This is the overthinking trap. Thinking feel like progress, brain working, energy used, feel productive. But monkey is like car. Engine screaming, in neutral, very loud, going nowhere. Then come the second problem. Chapter 2. Perfect banana syndrome. Monkey finally climb tree. Monkey reach banana. But then monkey say, this banana not perfect. Maybe bigger banana exist. Me should wait. Me deserve premium banana. So monkey wait. Wind blow, banana fall. Other monkey eat it. Perfect banana never arrive. Only perfect hunger. Perfection is not high standards. Perfection is fear wearing productivity costume. Then come the worst trap. Chapter 3. The Knowledge Jungle. Monkey know everything. Best climbing methods, optimal grip angles, banana nutrition data, advanced leaf aerodynamics. Other monkey know one thing. Climb. Here is the problem. When monkey know too much, every choice become 100 choices, every path become risk, every action become decision tree. Monkey study the jungle. Other monkey move through it. Action create clarity. Thinking create more thinking. Chapter 4. The Stupid First Rule. Monkey not have intelligence problem. Monkey have movement problem. Because thinking feels safe. Climbing risk falling. Thinking protect ego. Climbing test it. So monkey stay in tree, thinking about climbing, for years. Meanwhile, other monkey fell 99 times. Now he climb without thinking, because action teach faster than intelligence. So here is new rule for monkey. Stupid first, smart later. Bad first, better later. Messy first, clear later. Move first, figure out later. See banana? Climb before brain open meeting. Write before research. Start before plan. Move before ready. Because jungle has secret. Thinking monkeys have ideas. Moving monkeys have bananas. So today, be the dumb monkey. Bad first, messy first, moving first. Because smart monkeys think about the jungle. Other monkeys already eating.